Hey YouTubers, so I have another video right now. Yes, another bad words video right now. So yes, holy crap, another bad words video. This bad word discussing right now is belch is a bad word. Now belch is a more politer way of saying burp. The word burp, some people would consider to be light profanity or mild cussing. Now the word belch is more politer ass, like a big ass cigar. Is belch a bad word? Saying I had to belch. Is it a bad word? The answer is it's not a bad word. Very, 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 very low down the hierarchy. It's nowhere close to bitch or shit. So anyway, have a nice day. Pretty damn cool.